Hi, I would like to tell you a little more about BookMe. BookMe is Sessions' built-in booking system, so it allows you to sync your existing calendars, share your availability, and then let people book a meeting time with you. Why is it awesome? Well, firstly, it saves you a lot of time because you don't have to send out a million emails to find the perfect time to meet. It looks professional, and you can add really useful extras to it. So for example, you can add an agenda to a booking. You can add a form so that people can fill in the information that you need from them before the meeting. And also it allows you to automatically send out reminders. Let's take a look at what a booking page looks like. So here is our booking page that we use in sessions when people book demos with us. And let's see, you'll see there's times and dates. And here's the form that collects people's information. When they click on schedule session, they will receive a confirmation email. And as the host, you will also receive a confirmation, plus it will automatically be added to your calendar. Can you add a booking page to your website? Yes, you can. It's our booking page that is embedded, and you can choose whether you want to embed a full page, a component, or just a little widget. Can you work together as a team? Yes. When you create a booking page, you can add your team members to it. And this is especially useful if you run things like demos or training sessions and you're a group of people handling this. So then the system will automatically distribute the bookings based on the team members' availability and time. Where can you set this up? Well, simply go to BookMe on the main menu. And from here, you can create multiple booking pages. Also, you will find useful Help Center articles on this topic. We've created a very detailed YouTube video about the steps of setting it all up. And if you want to speak to one of us, you are super welcome. Simply book a time with us.